go, YouTube. We out here about to teach kids. Yo, where your helmet? Come on, man. That's number one rule. That's number one rule. You already know. Let's go. Get your helmet. Get your helmet. Let's go. Oh, look at that, Willie in the tree. Oh, he put it down. Why he put it down? Alright, so this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna do first gear work. Since your clutch not the best, I'm gonna show you how I do it the wrong way. So look, you want to have it in first. Put your foot on the back brake like this. Like you want to just be able to hit it, to be able to feel it with your toes. Now look, you see how your hands is? You want to give it 3 pumps. On the 3rd pump, you want to let go of the clutch and let it come up. Don't like scream it. If it's too much, if the RPM's too high, don't let the clutch go. Because you don't want the bike to pick up on you and make you fall. So it's like... like that. So when it comes up, you're going to have to grab the clutch a little bit because we're going slow. So when it gets up to a certain point, you're going to get to a balance point and you're going to tap on the brakes, not squeeze them hard because it's going to bring you right down. So you want to ease on them and just give it light taps of gas. Once you get it up to 12 and let it coast a little bit, you're going to have your left foot on the ground to balance yourself a little bit. So the bike going to quiet down. The RPM's not going to stay high unless you give it gas. No. You only hold the clutch if the bike is about to cut off. So it's like 1, 2, 3. See, you don't need the clutch unless you got the RPMs too low. Look at you trying it. You about to try it? Come on. Yeah. Yo, why you ain't hit the brake or the clutch? Yeah. Yo, he ain't hit the brake or the clutch. Bike about to take flight. Like that. Well, not one hand, but you know, without the clutch, try it. So it's 1, 2. On the 3rd one, let out. Well, don't do what I did. Like that. Yo, now look, try rolling a little bit, right? Try rolling a little bit. Put it in second. Oh, no. Put it in second because you don't want it to toss you. You're going to let go. But, all right, so roll a little bit. And then you're going to pop the clutch and give it a little bit of gas. So it's going to be like... Huh? Yeah, hold up. You see what I was saying? So then that way the RPM's not real high as you're rolling. off the clutch. And it's gonna come up smooth. Go back to first. You trying it? You trying it? Slow down, slow down. Because you want to do it with 1 foot down so you can get control somewhat. So it's like, at first you're going to be like, look, I'm barely hitting the gas. I'm not even hitting the brake. Foot down and go back to first and go back down to first. All right, now do it. It might come up height. Don't get scared if it come up height. Just hit the brake. My no hands on this on a beam. You out? You out? Be safe, yo. Yo, be safe. Touch again. Hold on, now we're gonna do a double hand touch. Let's get it. Let's get it! Yo, these joints fun as shit. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Where you at?
I'm up here at the lot.
Where you at?
I'm at the lot.
Alright. Alright, bye.
I'll call you once I leave.
No, I'm good.
Whatever. I got you. Uh-oh, Banshee work. Banshee work. Uh-oh. One-way Corey on the Banshee. Out. Oh. Back up, back up, back up. Oh, sit down. Throw the hands. Get stuck, right? Stand first. helmet.